The car stereo has therefore become an important extension of, if not an important accessory of our smartphones while driving. It is hard to believe being able to comfortably drive anymore without having at least some form of car stereo today. There are many products available to choose car stereos, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best car stereos from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Kenwood DX26BT Double DIN Sirius XM Ready. Some of us aren't going to give up CDs without protest. So, a car stereo shouldn't make us have to choose to do so by not only playing digital media, but also the beloved CDs. The Kenwood DX26BT is an all-around car stereo that caters to however you like to listen to your music in the car. The DX26BT is a double DIN head unit with a 6.2 inches resistive touchscreen. The display is clear and responsive. Physical controls are along the right side of the panel. The DX26BT is a DVD receiver, meaning it can play those physical discs we've all been holding on to. And with regard to music, it supports a wide range of digital video and music formats. Connectivity includes USB and Bluetooth that supports dual phone connections and is capable of supporting 5 streaming devices simultaneously. It is Sirius XM and rear camera ready. A 13-band graphic equalizer is great for enhancing music output. Number 2. Atotoa 6PF Android Double DIN Car Stereo. Having a bunch of CDs in your car is so last millennium. With the advent of digital formats for music and streaming, you really don't need to clutter up your car anymore with discs. The Atotoa 6PF understands the relevance of CD downsizing and presents a car stereo that does it all, except play CDs. The A6PF is a double DIN head unit with a bright, though easy on the eyes, 7 inches floating touchscreen display. Along with gesture controls, there are physical buttons on the bottom of the unit. It is an Android car stereo with support for CarPlay and Android Auto. Connectivity includes dual Bluetooth, dual-band Wi-Fi, and 4 USB ports. Sound quality is great with 4x45 watts of power and a 36-band graphic equalizer. Additional features include built-in GPS navigation, compatibility with steering wheel controls, video outputs, and LRV camera ready. Number 3. Boss Audio System 616 UAB Multimedia Car Stereo. Just because you're on a budget doesn't mean you can't upgrade your sound system to digital music. The Boss 616 UAB is a great, cost-effective option to bring an older car's sound system up to date. Add in a great performance, and the 616 UAB is one of the best car stereos on a budget. Connectivity comes in the form of Bluetooth, USB, and aux audio in. Smartphone integration via Bluetooth allows streaming from applications like Pandora and Spotify. It supports MP3 and WMA digital music formats. There is no built-in amplifier, but the 50 watts X4 provides ample sound power. The included mic allows for hands-free calling. Number 4. Pioneer DMHWC5700NEX 6.8 Car Stereo. DIN this, DIN that. It can be a pain trying to figure out what DIN type will fit in your car, especially if you want a touchscreen. Even if the available space looks like it should fit a double DIN head unit, actual installation may prove otherwise. The Pioneer DMHWC5700NEX has an innovative design that allows it to be installed in spaces others can't. The DMHWC5700NEX is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, and supports a wide range of digital music formats. Connectivity includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, HDMI, and camera inputs. The built-in 50W-X4 amplifier provides plenty of power for the 13-band graphic equalizer to produce exceptional sound quality. Number 5. Alpine LXW657 Matchless Receiver Compatible. Let's face it, tech advancement doesn't stop. As such, in order to add the latest bell or whistle, particularly with car stereos, you're going to have the space to add onto it. The Alpine LXW650 is the type of car stereo that has room enough to grow. The LXW650 is double DIN and features a 7 inches capacitive touchscreen. Connectivity is via Bluetooth, 2 camera inputs, and USB. Other features include an external microphone for voice commands and hands-free phone use, steering wheel control compatibility, Sirius XM ready, etc. The sound quality is superb with 50W-X4 power and a built-in amplifier. An outstanding feature is the size of the unit. The LXW650 has a shallow mount design at only 2-13 divided by 16 inches deep, leaving plenty of room for future expandability with other aftermarket accessories. That's all from on my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.